Hello everyone, welcome back to our cozy little corner of creativity. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our handmade adventure. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of mini handmade candles. Look at these little gems, they are the perfect way to add a touch of warmth and a magic to any space. But before we dive in, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button and let's get this video rolling. We melt the wax flakes gently. Now that we have put all our love into these mini wonders, I'm gonna add some glitters. And just like magic, our mini handmade candles are ready. Aren't they absolutely adorable? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today, lovely viewers. I hope you enjoyed our candle making journey as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your candle loving friends. Thank you all for being here, and until next time, keep shining bright and keep spreading the warmth with your handmade candles. Take care and see you in next video.